Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Eventbrite. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Withdrawing money from Eventbrite means receiving the funds you've collected from the ticket sales. In order to withdraw your money from Eventbrite, what you need to do first is head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in eventbrite.com. Then once you're inside the homepage of the Eventbrite, be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of screen, then select manage my events. Now inside your events, go to the event dashboard and then select payments and payouts. Now under payout settings, add your bank account. You'll need your bank name, account number and routing number, and also fill in your address and tag details if prompted. Now next is to understand your payout schedule and then request a manual payout if eligible. To do it, go to your event dashboard once again, then select payments and payouts once again. Then select payouts. If you have an option request payout, simply click on it or tap on it and that will trigger a transfer. Then all you gotta do is simply go to the reports, then finances and payouts, and you'll see the status of your current payout. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.